Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic that often gets overlooked after a parasite cleanse, and that's rebuilding gut health. Now, your gut is at the core of your overall health, so it's crucial to reduce and support it, especially after a cleanse. So let's get started. During a parasite cleanse, you might have felt some changes in your digestion and overall well-being, and that's totally normal. Cleansing can temporarily disrupt the gut microbiome, which is why it's so important to focus on restoring balance afterward. Our gut contains trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. So to keep the gut healthy, we need to replenish the good bacteria, support the lining, and create an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive. And this is where probiotics and gut health herbs come into play. So let's start with probiotics. Now, probiotics are the beneficial bacteria that support digestion. They enhance nutrient absorption and help strengthen your immune system. After a cleanse, incorporating probiotic-rich foods can replenish the gut's natural flora. So here are some of my favourite sources of probiotics. For instance, sauerkraut, kimchi and kombucha, and plant-based yogurts with live cultures. And I use probiotic supplements at times, and these are especially helpful if you can't get enough from your diet. Now, these foods and supplements help repopulate the gut with healthy bacteria which support digestion and helps keep harmful bacteria in check. Now let's talk about prebiotics. Think of prebiotics as the food for those friendly bacteria that we just added. Prebiotics are types of fibre found in certain foods that probiotics feed on. When we include prebiotics in our diet, it allows the beneficial bacteria to grow and thrive. So some fantastic prebiotic foods include garlic and onions, banana, especially green bananas, asparagus, flax seeds and chia seeds, and your whole grains like oats and quinoa. Including both probiotics and prebiotics in your daily routine is key to maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Now let's dive into some amazing herbs that can heal and protect the gut lining, which have been irritated during the cleanse. So first up, you've got marshmallow root, which is known for its soothing effects on the digestive tract. It contains mucilage. It's a gel-like substance that coats the stomach and the intestines, providing a protective layer that helps heal the gut lining and ease inflammation. And you can take marshmallow root as a tea. Next, we have slippery elm. Like marshmallow root, slippery elm is rich in mucilage. It forms a soothing coating on the digestive tract, and it eases irritation and supports the mucosal lining. It helps it to recover, and it's perfect for calming an upset stomach and promoting healing. So I recommend taking slippery elm as a powder mixed with water, and you can take that as a tea. So finally, licorice root. Now this is a herb that is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps soothe the gut lining, reducing discomfort and promoting healing. Now for gut health, it's best to use the DGL licorice, which is safer for long-term use. Now licorice root can help with bloating, indigestion, and even the symptoms of leaky gut. Now these herbs work together to create a healthy, calm environment in your gut, which allows beneficial bacteria to do their job and keep your digestion running smoothly. Now, I know many of you are interested in herbs, So here's a quick mention of other helpful herbs that post-cleanse. Dandelion root, which I've got right here. I've got the organic wild cut. Now, dandelion root is excellent for supporting liver health, which is closely tied to the gut function. And burdock root, this can help maintain regular bowel movements and support gut health. So if you're looking to dive deeper into herbs, keep these herbs in mind. So rebuilding gut health is such an important step after a parasite cleanse. And I hope these tips help you feel your best. And remember, it's always important to have a balanced diet, because a balanced gut means better digestion, improved mood, and overall wellness. So if you're interested in sourcing organic herbs at affordable prices, it's 50% off. You can head over to naturalworkshops.com. These are the herbs that I use. But before you start any detox or use herbs, always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you're on any medications or you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And if you're looking for more natural solutions to support your health, come join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we've some fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies, and you can find the link there in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise.